This is Bella, and now I'm gonna show what's the name of my dad and mom. My mom's name is Binga Nagayan Flanders, and my dad's name is Sid Flanders. And now, thank you for loving and caring for us. Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy and Daddy. I'm gonna read you a short story. I'm a pig. Squeeze the pig when he sees the word oink. I love to roll in the cold, cold mud. Oink, I'm a pig. Then I help myself to stack of the vegetable garden. Oink, I love to eat. I chase the chickens just for fun. Oink, see how fast they run. The birds and I try to scare the scarecrow. Oink, but we never do. Then the farmers gave breakfast, yummy desserts. Oink, she made my favorite cherry pie. That's how the book to read. I'm gonna give you some gifts, Daddy and Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye, guys. I hope you like this video. Happy Valentine's Day to all.